The fundamental fact of existence is that this trust in God, this faith, is the firm foundation under everything that makes life worth living. It's our handle on what we can't see. Hebrews 11:1.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Udori, and I am back with another makeup tutorial. And yes, you may be wondering, what kind of look does she have in mind? Recently guys, I've been obsessed with orange. Like, I have so much love orange color. I don't know, I just have this drawn towards orange, and I've been orange inspired, if I do say so myself. I mean, orange inspired. Yes, so I'm gonna be showing you guys a really nice glossy eyes during this whole makeup tutorial. I just want you guys to watch, enjoy this video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and drop a comment on what you actually think about the color orange and what you think about the look I'm about to create. I already have the look in my head. I'm just gonna bring it to life, bring the look to life, guys. I am so grateful for the love you showed me in my last video. I am grateful for the love. Yes, so I'm gonna be taking my black Davis pencil in the number 1 and just draw a line underneath my brows and above as well. But I'm gonna be coming up with a detailed eyebrow tutorial for beginners. Like, if you literally don't know anything concerning your brows and you want to learn, I'm going in with a brown pencil, and I am going in with straw. Taking my spoolie, I'm just gonna blend all the products in. I just like where my brows has this canty look to it, like it just have like right now. I'm taking my concealer brush, and I'm taking one of my favorite concealers, which is the Feraruci concealer, and I'm taking this shade to clean my brows. And because I am doing a glossy eyes, I am not extending the concealer, so I'm just going to be using a really tiny bit and just put that to clean my brows. Next up, I'm taking my blending brush and just blending in that particular area, not extending it. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using this Cleof cosmetic palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Cocoa. I'm just going to pat that all over my eyelid. Basically, that's what I'm going to be doing. Now, the reason why I did not actually prime my eyelid, because my eyes are going to be creasing based on it's a glossy eyes, and we don't want to prime, and you know, it's going to be looking very messy. But we still want, it's still going to look messy, but not as messy as it will look when the eyes are primed. So I'm just going to be tapping that all over my lid. Using that same brush, I'm just going to blend the edges towards where my concealer is on my brows. Yep, time for some gloss. So for my gloss, I'm going to be using this Victoria's Secret lip gloss, which is one of my favorite lip gloss. It is thick but doesn't look like those, you know, thick rotating glosses. So I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. Now, after putting that all over my lid, I'm going to take that same palette and take same orange shade, but I'll be using my fingers to do that. It's easy to just get the colors in. Now that I've really gotten what I needed, I'm just going to take a tissue and clean underneath my eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and fix my lashes off camera, and I will be right back to give you guys detail on my face. Next up, I'm heading off to my face, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this Karite Dewy setting spray. I forgot in my last video I mentioned this as Kiss Beauty, but no, it is from Karite, and I'm going to be using that to just spray my whole face, and I'm using it as the primer for my face. I'm going to be using one of my old favorite foundation, and this is the Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. This foundation is absolutely moisturizing, like it's super moisturizing. Foundation brush and just blend all that foundation into my skin. I'm going to take my sponge and just blend all that So I'm gonna be highlighting my face in the normal areas that the light will literally hit, which is underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bowl, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm gonna be reverse contouring as well. That was good. So before I go in to set my concealer, I'm going to take my Zikel powder palette, and I'm going to take this darkest shade, which is in the number 14. I'm going to use it to just contour my face and my nose. I love using this brush to just contour my face when it comes to contouring. I'm going to take my blush, which is this red shade, and it's in the number 4. I'm just going to take that blush and just put it above my contour a bit. I'm blending it into my contour as well. To contour my nose, I am going in with a more smaller brush to contour my nose, just for precise application. So next up, I'm just going to blend up my concealer more before I go in with my setting powder to just set everything in place. Taking my setting powder, we're just going to set this whole makeup here, like. Set your under eyes quickly to prevent all form of creasing. Next thing, I'm taking these two shades, this shade and this shade, to just blend my entire face together to sort of quench that whiteness that I am seeing right now and showing on camera. One of the things that take this whiteness away is setting powder, setting spray. Sorry guys, setting spray, setting powder. What's with me and setting powder now? Okay, setting spray does a whole lot with just calming the makeup down, especially when you have this white powdery look to it. The setting spray just helps you on that one, right? Take my Any Lady 3D highlight, and I'm gonna be taking this shade called Starlight. I'm gonna take that shade called Starlight, and I'm just gonna highlight all the high points of my face. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Who that? You talking to me? Yeah. The bridge of my nose. Is that the bridge of my nose? My cupid bowl, Joe. I'm going to take this pencil brush and apply that same shade called Starlight. I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose. Basically, I like using a really tiny brush for my nose area because it just helps to put it in the right place. I'm going to take this Karite dewy setting spray that I used earlier on. I'm going to use this to set my whole makeup in place, and I'll be right back to give you guys a real thing on my lips. I will overline my lip with my Davis pencil. This liner ain't giving me life, and I want to add something dark around it. I'm going to take the black pencil and just go with a straight line around it. I'm going to take this orange lipstick, and this is from Hennessy USA, and those in your choice of matte lipstick in the number, I don't know why I'm only seeing this at 4, in the number 1. So I'm gonna go on with the gloss I use for my eyes and just put that on my lips. What? That was too much, bro. I'm really not gonna be putting anything underneath my eyes, and for some reason I really don't want to do anything too much underneath my eyes because my eyes and my lip are already singing a lot. So I'm gonna focus on my mascara My mascara are so short. Wow, my lashes are so short. Yes guys, yes honey, yes sweetie, I'm done with this video. So yes guys, this is it for this orange look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a 2 or thing from this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on my social media platform. Follow me on my social media platform. It's gonna be done in the description bar below. Please guys, make sure you follow me, and guys, don't forget this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. So yes guys, I love you guys more, but God loves you most, and don't forget that God loves you most, and I love you too.